Have you grabbed your Danish Bible yet? Do you know what it is? It is the Essential Grammar Danish Bible. It's your go-to guide when you just need to have a quick check what's going on with Danish grammar. It's available on Amazon and on DanishTube. Is it called Amazon? No, it's probably called Amazon. Doesn't matter. Links are in the description. Go and check it out.
Hvad så, flere tusinde DanishTuber, og velkommen tilbage til DT Nyheder. Der kommer en stor nyhed. Er du en fan af Oasis? De er nemlig genforenet. They are reunited. Er du en fan? Er du glad? Altså, det er godt for englænderne. Hvis du er englænder, så tror jeg nok, at du bliver lidt spændt. If you're an English person, you're probably super excited right now. Men er du også en fan? Are you also a fan? Lad mig vide i kommentarsporet. Let me know in the comment section. Jeg synes, det er vildt, og det er fordi, jeg får en anden chance for at opleve Oasis live. De har altså svinet hinanden til i mange år i medierne. Altså, de har sagt alle mulige ting om hinanden, men den tid er forbi, og de skal spille. De skal spille koncerter sammen. At svine til, this is a really great expression, at svine til, which is like to slag off, you would say in British, or you know, like to say shit about somebody, du sviner den person til. Jeg synes, det er fedt, fordi i 90'erne, der var jeg meget, meget ung. I think it's cool because in the 90s, I was really, really young. So I grew up with this music, but I was too young to experience it live. Så nu får jeg faktisk den mulighed, hvis det kan få det til at ske. Now I actually have that opportunity, if I can make it happen, because, well, it's probably going to sell out in about 5 seconds. Jamen, som altid, så har jeg jeg har en artikel til os. Let's take a kig på det sammen. Jeg elsker den her titel. I love this title. Den er god nok. Have you heard that before in Danish? It's like saying, yeah, it's true. You can rely on it. I kind of don't really have a great English version of den er god nok. Man, let me see. Does Google have a good translation of that? It's good enough? Nah, it doesn't make any sense. It's true. It is true. Oasis er genforenet og tager på stor turné i 2025. REUNITED are going on a big tour in 2025. Krigen mellem brødrene Liam og Noel er endelig forbi. Men er det? Hvad synes du? Lad mig vide i kommentarerne. Is it over? Is the war over? Let me know in the comments. Oh, they're just going to start fighting on stage. Men kig lige på dette billede. Take a look at this image. They're just like two of the most iconic faces in the world. Has to be. Rygterne har sværet. Og i går troede vi næsten godt lov, at den var god nok. The rumors have been swirling, going around. And yesterday we dared to say that it was true. Og det var den. And it was. Oasis gendannes og tager på en stort opslået turné i Storbritannien og Irland, som vil finde sted næste år i juli og august. Big tour in Great Britain and Ireland, which is going to take place next year in July and August. Jeg kan ikke tale. Jeg er så spændt, jeg kan ikke tale. I en fælles udtalelse fra de to brødre lyder, the guns have fallen silent, the stars have aligned, the great wait is over, come and see. It will not be televised. Det er fedt. Det er ikke noget, man kommer til at se i fjernsynet. You're not going to see it on TV, so you gotta get those tickets, man. So, in a joint statement, the two brothers, they said this. Datoerne markerer, at det er 16 år siden, at bandet splittedes til atomer efter en backstage kontrovers til en koncert i Frankrig. Okay, the date marks 16 years since the split in atom bomb style after a backstage controversy. Og jeg har hørt, at Liam, godt navn forresten, I've heard that Liam, good name by the way, slår sin bror næsten, almost hit his brother, han slår sin bror næsten, i hovedet med en guitar, over the head with a guitar. Bandet har siden da været bagt, hakket hinanden i små stykker i medierne. This is what I was saying. Since then, they have been verbally chopping each other into pieces in the media, og har hidtil benægtet, they've denied, at en genforening nogensinde ville kunne komme på tale. They've been denying that it's ever gonna take place. Men nu sker det. Og hvorfor? Hvad tror du? Er det bare fordi det er på tide? Is it just because it's about time? Vi mangler rock and roll i vores liv? Is it just because we need rock and roll in our lives? Which we do. Eller handler det om penge? Hvad synes du? Is it just about money? Læg en kommentar. Jeg er ligeglad med, hvad det handler om. Jeg synes bare, det er fedt. Ikke desto mindre, nevertheless, sker det altså nu. It's happening. Rygterne lød først på, at turnéen ville være et forsøg på at spille med musklerne og slå Taylor Swifts nylige Wembley-rekord på 8 koncerter. Men umiddelbart er det dog kun 4 koncerter på programmet. So people thought at first it was just about breaking Taylor Swift's record of playing 8 concerts, but apparently, no, it's only going to be 4 at Wembley, that is. Samme antal er annonceret på Heaton Park i Manchester. Sådan, the same number is announced for Heaton Park in Manchester. Og det er der, hvor jeg skal hen, synes jeg. Hvis jeg skal opleve det her, så bliver det i Manchester. If I need to experience this, it's gotta be in Manchester. It's gotta be. En Glastonbury-koncert florede også på rygtebørsen. That was a nice way of saying it. Glastonbury concert, I don't know, has been flowering on the rumor mill. It's been going around, basically. Men i hvert fald indtil nu heller ikke bekræftet. Okay, so there's been rumors of a big Glastonbury festival, but until now, it hasn't been confirmed. Ifølge bandets officielle pressemeddelelse arbejdes der dog uden yderligere uddybning på en større international turné. Okay, according to the band's official press release, however, work is being done without further elaboration on a major international tour. So for now, gotta get yourself to UK. Billetsalget starter kl. 10 lørdag den 31. august, og priserne afsløres først på dagen. Ticket sales are going 10th on the 10th, Saturday 10th. What am I saying here, man? Ticket sales wow! At 10 o'clock Saturday 31st, the price will be revealed on the day. Hvor meget tror du, det kommer til at koste? Tror du, det kommer til at koste kassen? Do you think it's going to cost the entire box? Is it going to be expensive? Ja, det tror jeg nok. Det tør jeg sige. I dare say that it will. Nå, lad os synes om det her. Er du spændt? Are you excited? Er du ligeglad med det? Er Oasis bare nogle gamle fyre, og er du ikke interesseret? Are they just some old guys you're not interested? Eller synes du også, at det er mega fedt? Skriv en kommentar, og lad mig vide, hvad du synes om denne nyhed. Write a comment. Let me know what you think about this news. Hvis du kunne lide disse nyhedsvideoer, jamen, så giv den her video lige et like. Lad mig vide det, for jeg kan lave nogle flere af dem. Og hvis du gerne vil have dansk, jamen, så klikker på linksene nedenunder. Du kan blive et medlem af DanishTube, og så lære sammen med andre mennesker. Eller du kan også tage nogle private lektioner hos mig. Ellers, så ses vi i næste video. Hej!
Become an essential DanishTube member where you get access to video courses, ebooks, exercises, group classes, and hygge snack sessions. And when I say snack, I don't mean num, I mean talk. You know what I mean. Get over there. Links in the description.